how's it going everyone? It's your boy Rollins here. I know a lot of you probably noticed that I'm wearing a sling. I have a shoulder injury. About a year ago I fractured my rotator cuff trying to catch catfish and turtles on my landlines. And everything came back. It got hung on long, shot up, shot my shoulder back and fractured it. Today we're going to be making a pair of fishing shorts. I can't really go fishing right now because of my shoulder injury and all, but I can still make stuff. Well, these are a pair of carpenter jeans that I have that's got a giant hole in it. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut the legs off. And I'm thinking about making more pockets with the leftover, with the legs. So let's get it. It's got a handy dandy pair of Betty Crocker scissors. Here we go. And no, this is not another version of Flair's Farm Rompers. You wouldn't catch me. You wouldn't even catch me dead in those. I normally don't wear shorts, so yeah. Well, there's one leg. I know it's not very short, and also when I get done with them, I will put them on and show y'all what they look like. This ain't easy to really do, basically, me being one-handed. Rock is trying to come in down. Oh well, it'll be fine. Alright. And then the scissors again. Well, there we go, folks. Pair of fishing shorts. Fillet knife go here. Skinny regular knife. 1 minute. Oh! Well, there you go, folks. Stylish. I mean, I'm gonna try to add some pockets up here on these, and maybe another back pocket right down here. Maybe a side pocket on this side, and all. I'll give y'all an update as soon as I get it done. And if you're wondering where Buck is, he's asleep in his cage. That is Timmy up there in his cage. I know, but he loves his cage. That's more or less his sanctuary. Well, folks, that's all for today, and peace.